There you go.
Enjoy.
Then the next thing is here. Come here and just check. You see, if I push here, this one goes. You see this one? If I push here, so push here, push here. You see it goes. Come the same spot here, push. It doesn't go. So one place is locked. This is free. This is blocked. This is free. So she needs to be adjusted here. So let me see also. Don't hold your breath. There you go. Shika pressure. Ukishika nini ndani na mimi naenda itakuwa juu.
Feel better.
Feel better.
Relaxed.